In a world where limits no longer exist, a new kind of luxury rises above the rest. Behold, the motorhome of the future, a sleek, aerodynamic marvel that redefines the meaning of mobile living. Designed with a perfect balance of style, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, this motorhome doesn't just move, it takes you to new realms of possibility. From its shining exterior to the minimalist, high-tech interior, it is the ultimate expression of freedom and sophistication on four wheels. With every curve and every detail meticulously crafted, this mobile mansion feels as if it's made to glide through time itself. Step inside, and the future welcomes you with open arms. The first stop, the bedroom. This intimate space, wrapped in dark matte finishes and soft ivory accents, is a sanctuary for rest. The floating bed seems suspended above the wood-patterned floor, with soft LED lighting running along its edges, casting a warm glow that perfectly matches the tone of the space. The bed itself is upholstered in luxurious leather, while gold-tinged sheets and pillows provide the ultimate in comfort and refinement. Large windows on either side offer panoramic views of the outside world, whether you're driving through bustling cities or vast, open landscapes. There's no rush here, only tranquility. Every element is designed to enhance relaxation, from the soft ambient lighting to the hidden storage spaces in the walls, offering both beauty and functionality. Next, you move into the dressing area, where elegance meets practicality. The space is compact but highly efficient, featuring sleek black lacquered cabinetry with gold handles that shine under soft, recessed lighting. The built-in vanity offers a backlit mirror that creates the perfect lighting for getting ready, while the soft stool invites you to sit in comfort. Everything you need, jewelry, cosmetics, and accessories, is neatly stored in hidden compartments that open at the touch of a button. Every drawer is perfectly organized, and every surface glows with understated luxury. This dressing room doesn't just house your clothes, it's a quiet reflection of your lifestyle, where every moment is designed for elegance and ease. Moving forward, you step into the heart of the motorhome, the kitchen and dining area. This is where high design meets practicality in the most beautiful way. Matte black cabinets line the walls, accented by brushed gold edges that add a touch of warmth to the space. A sleek marble countertop stretches across, seamlessly integrated with a high-tech induction stove and a low-profile sink. Hidden behind sleek panels, ensures everything remains tidy and streamlined. Opposite, a small yet perfectly designed dining area features a compact table surrounded by plush ivory chairs. A vase of fresh flowers adds a touch of life and color, while soft amber lighting beneath the counters creates a welcoming glow. This kitchen makes every experience feel special. Beyond the kitchen, a small but inviting lounge area awaits. Here, the design evolves into something cozy and serene. Soft, curved seating lines the walls, with plush upholstery in neutral tones that complement the sleek black accents. A glossy black coffee table sits in the center, its mirrored surface reflecting the warm glow of the hidden lights. The walls are adorned with vertical slats, adding texture and depth to the otherwise minimalist design. Large windows let natural light pour in, offering a perfect view of the surroundings as you relax in the comfort of your mobile home. It's the ideal space for reading, sipping a drink, or simply enjoying the ever-changing view. As you walk deeper into this mobile sanctuary, you come to the private office, a compact yet efficient workspace designed for modern-day nomads. A slim, matte black desk sits in front of another panoramic window, offering unobstructed views of the outside world while you work. The desk is equipped with everything you need for productivity: built-in digital screens, wireless charging stations, and storage compartments that keep everything organized and hidden from sight. A comfortable chair in soft leather faces the desk, making this office both ergonomic and sophisticated. Whether you're conducting virtual meetings or writing your next novel, this mobile office ensures that your work never has to stop. Then, there's the bathroom, designed to be a retreat in itself. The walls are finished in deep charcoal gray, with brushed gold accents that catch the light just enough to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The sink is set against a black marble countertop, sleek and elegant, while the mirror above is framed in soft, ambient lighting. The rainfall shower, enclosed in glass, offers a tranquil escape with its warm wooden panels that evoke the feeling of a spa. Even the toilet, set against the wall, carries the same minimalist design, with gold and black detailing that enhances its aesthetic appeal. It's a place of relaxation, designed to offer comfort and privacy in a space where everything feels luxurious and serene. Next, you enter the mini pool and spa area, an absolute highlight of this mobile mansion. The pool is compact but deeply inviting, designed with smooth, curved lines and golden LED lighting that radiates warmth. The water, always at the perfect temperature, reflects the soft light as it ripples gently in the quiet of the motorhome. Whether you're watching the world pass by or simply enjoying the stillness, this spa is not just about soaking, it's about creating an atmosphere where every moment is pure luxury. Moving from relaxation to fitness, the gym area offers everything you need to stay in shape while on the go. A compact but well-equipped space, it features a treadmill and a stationary bike, both sleek and modern, designed to take up minimal space while offering maximum comfort. A small dumbbell rack lines one wall, ensuring that your workout routine never has to be compromised. The gym's design matches the rest of the motorhome: minimal, sleek, and highly functional. The large windows let in plenty of natural light, making every workout feel fresh and energizing. Whether it's a morning run or an evening stretch, this gym ensures that your body stays as fit as your mind. And finally, you step into the cockpit, a sleek, futuristic space designed for the discerning traveler. The dashboard is a work of art, with smooth, curved lines and touch-sensitive controls that respond to the lightest of touches. The steering wheel is minimal yet ergonomic, surrounded by an array of digital screens that provide real-time information about the motorhome systems. The entire cabin is designed to make driving as intuitive and comfortable as possible. The expansive windshield offers a panoramic view of the road ahead, ensuring that every journey is as visually stunning as it is relaxing. As you step back outside and look at the motorhome in its full glory, you can't help but be awed by its sleek, aerodynamic design. The bright white exterior gleams in the sunlight, reflecting the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape. Its sharp curves, minimalist features, and integrated solar panels are not just about aesthetics, they represent the future of sustainable travel. Powered by the latest in electric propulsion technology, this motorhome moves quietly and efficiently, making it the ultimate choice for those who want to travel in style without leaving a heavy carbon footprint. At a price that runs into the millions, this motorhome isn't just a means of transportation, it's a statement. A statement of luxury, of comfort, and of living beyond the limits. With its advanced materials, intelligent AI, and groundbreaking design, it's clear that this is not just a motorhome, it's the future of mobile living. So, when the road calls, and you're ready to embrace the future of travel, remember that this motorhome is waiting to take you there.